Looking for the perfect fragrance without breaking the bank? I've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best perfumes for women under $50. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ariana Grande Cloud Eau de Parfum. This perfume is warm, dreamy, and playful, just like floating on a cloud. With notes of lavender, coconut, vanilla, and pear, it's a sweet, uplifting scent that screams confidence and happiness. Number 2. Versace Mini Perfume Gift Set. Want variety? This Versace Mini Perfume gift set gives you 3 iconic scents: Bright Crystal, Yellow Diamond, and Absolute, so you can match your fragrance to your mood. A total steal. Number 3. Dossier Ambery Vanilla. If you love YSL's Black Opium, you'll adore Dossier's Ambery Vanilla. It's sweet, seductive, and long-lasting with notes of vanilla, coffee, and jasmine. Bonus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Number 4. Latifa Yara Bundle. Middle Eastern luxury for an affordable price? Yes, please. Latifa Yara is a tropical, musky, and vanilla sweet scent that comes with a bonus roll-on oil for extra staying power. Number 5. Sol de Janeiro Hair and Body Mist. If you love warm, sunny scents, Sol de Janeiro's perfume mist is a must-have. With notes of pistachio, caramel, and sandalwood, it's irresistible and perfect for all-day wear. And there you have it. Luxury scents for less. Which one are you adding to your collection? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more budget-friendly finds. See you next time.